Chinese residents who began living in this section. Over time, it developed into a small little community that took over several alleys and several blocks in this region. It was also a center of political activity as well as nationalist struggles, and the plaza was actually used by the Chinese nationalists to do practice marchings in preparation for a revolution that was going to take place in China. I believe the year was 1911. So this little area over, this whole little section over here existed up until, like I said, the 1930s, when, because of the fact that the buildings were very dilapidated and were run down, the city government decided that they were going to tear down that whole section and turn it into Union Station. So what they did is they literally upped the whole community and moved the community into Sonora Town, which is just north, and we're going to be walking into that area, which is now Chinatown. But at that point in time, it was actually called Sonora Town, and it was also part of Little Italy. A lot of those folks who were living there prior to that point, a lot of the folks that were part of the Mexican, Chicano, and Italian community began moving into East Los Angeles. And so I guess the city government decided that would be a perfect place to move the Chinese community. So they literally just tore down the buildings, forced everybody to up and leave, and transfer them all up just north of this area. Okay? So, and then we're going to read a little bit about the IWW headquarters, which, like I said, is right across the street.